Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling some quote unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Well, Bitcoin has been getting just absolutely destroyed. Crazy from my perspective to know that just a couple days ago, I was doing a video talking about, oh, wow, is this a start of a bigger breakout? Are the bulls, coming back to, take things, back over? And absolutely not. If anything, an absolute faulty breakout. And then the bears have been essentially in full control ever since then. So first thing I'm going to do here is delete a couple of these lines out and really just focus on one level here. And this is 11,200 and the first, or excuse me, 11,100. And this update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So you can see very clearly this was a former area of support, both there. And then with the breakdown of it right there, and that just really opened up the floodgates. So down it went. But my point here is this: the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Where's the price at relative to 11,100? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is actually back above that level, that would be a very bullish situation. That would imply that not only did the price actually stabilize out, not only did it start to go back up, but it was strong enough to go all the way back up to that area and then fight through it. I'd be relatively shocked if you're answering the question that the price is above 11,100. But then again, it's Bitcoin. It's been really moving. So I suppose you never know. But like I said, that would be an extremely bullish situation if you are answering the question in that way. Maybe you're saying, well, no, Clay, the price is actually still down below 11,100. Then it really just becomes a question of how low. And better offer up a little bit more context to that. Let's change this to green to represent support. So if you're answering the question that the price is down below, like I said, 11,100, well, then ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 10,500, which is the value of that line right there. If somehow you're answering the question that the price is even down below there, well, that would be putting the price at levels, as you can see here, that have not been seen for literally several weeks now. So, and then it just becomes a matter of gut instincts, common sense. I mean, if you're saying, well, yeah, clearly the price is down below 10,500, well, how far down below? And the further down below the price is, that just means the more bearish of a situation. And then finally, maybe you're saying, well, no, Clay, the price is actually still down below 11,100, but it is up above 10,500. At that point, one word could summarize that current movement, and that would just be consolidation. So walk yourself through those questions, keep your eye on these levels, and let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.